Understanding sea anchor, dive into English idioms. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, sea anchor. It's a fascinating term that not only has a literal meaning but also holds a figurative significance in the English language. So, let's set sail and explore this expression together. A sea anchor is a device used at sea by sailors to stabilize their boats in heavy weather. It's a type of anchor that, instead of hooking onto the seabed, it drags in the water to slow the boat down and keep it steady. It's not about stopping but about gaining control and steadiness amidst the turbulence. In everyday English, the phrase, sea anchor, is used metaphorically to refer to something or someone that provides stability or security during tumultuous or challenging times. Much like its literal use, it's about offering support that helps someone maintain their course without getting swept away by the storms of life. Let's look at some examples of how to use sea anchor in a sentence. My mentor has been a sea anchor to me during my career changes. In the midst of the financial crisis, their savings became their sea anchor, keeping them afloat. I hope this exploration of the phrase, sea anchor, has been enlightening. Remember, language is like an ocean, vast and full of mystery. With each phrase we learn, we navigate its waters a little better. Until our next linguistic voyage, keep anchoring your learning, and I'll see you soon.